Can I show you some magic?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So I will riffle through the cards.
Okay.
And you tell me when to stop and remember the card. I'm gonna look that way, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, remember?
Yes.
Yes, you got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm gonna shuffle the cards. Okay? So this is a blue deck of cards, as you can see.
Yeah.
All different, right?
Yes.
And you could have chosen any card you like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now I also got a red deck of cards right here. Let me put the focus. Now for the first time, please tell me what your card was.
It was 8 black.
The
How can I
spades.
describe the shape?
The spades. Let me show you. I made a prediction before I started the trick. Right here, inside the deck, I got one card turned upside down. You can see one card.
Yes. How did you do that?
That was the card,
it's
right?
impossible.
That was the card, right?
Yes. How did you do that? That was impossible.
Yeah, that's the magic.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Netherlands. And you?
Netherlands. I'm from Turkey.
Ah, nice. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Want to see one more trick?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so I got a coin.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me take my ring off so you can see. Okay, the coin. Now watch the coin.
How did you do that?
One more time, okay?
Okay.
And it's back again.
How did you do that?
Yeah, it's magic.
That was wonderful. Do you have Instagram account?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Tricks and beats. Take the cards for me. Okay, and shuffle them.
Can I put down my drink?
Yeah, shuffle them. Okay, perfect. And now make a fan of cards.
A fan?
Yeah, like that. Yeah. Okay, and take one card out. And remember the card. Very important.
Okay, go on.
You got it? Yeah? Okay, before you place it back, turn over the card so it's upside down.
Good.
Okay, so turn it over. Yeah, perfect. And push it back in. Shuffle the cards. Yeah. And when you're done shuffling, give them back to me. Okay.
This is the most stupid one so far.
Okay, so let me push the cards back into the card box. And the card box goes like this. Now watch this. I'm gonna make the cards appear. Now before I'm gonna show you that the cards are really here, first I want to be sure that you know that there's one card up, one card upside down. There was a message that I needed to sign up.
I'll be impressed if you get this.
So what was the card you turned over in the invisible deck?
The King of Diamonds.
The King of Diamonds.
Yeah.
So actually there's one card upside down in this deck as well. Let me show you.
If you get this, I'll be impressed.
Okay? Watch this. So there's one card. All the cards upside down.
Nah.
What card did you say?
King of Diamonds. You know what? Fair play. I have a feeling I know how you did it, but I am so very impressed.
Thank you.
Yeah, do a magic trick.
Okay, watch the coin.
Okay.
Watch the coin.
What the fuck?
One more time, okay?
How you do that, man?
One more time. Now this time I'll break the coin in 2 halves. And it's gone.
What the fuck? How did you do that?
Yeah, I can tell, it's magic.
Yes, keep doing that. You do it
Yeah.
good.
Thank you.
You do very good magic.
Thank you, man. Have a
a
nice
nice
day
day.
or evening. So this is an invisible deck of cards. I give it to you. Take it. Yeah. And shuffle the cards for me. Okay, perfect. Yeah, very good. Now when you're done shuffling, pick up the cards. Yeah, and make a fan out of them. Okay? Yeah, a fan. Yeah, perfect. And let him choose one card. Choose one. Yeah. Okay, take a look at it and remember the card. Yeah, you can tell him. You can tell. You can tell out loud if you like.
What will be done?
Yeah. So before you place the card back, turn it over so it's upside down and place it back into the deck. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Okay, please give the cards back. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. I'll place it back into the box. And now I'll make them visible, okay? Watch this. I'm gonna make them visible. Please, for the first time, tell me your card. Your invisible card. The 3 of diamonds. Watch this. Inside the card box, now the cards are visible. You're not gonna believe this. But the cards are visible. And one card, look, one card is turned over. One card. Watch this.
Yo, man, you got us. You are damn good. It's incredible, buddy.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Very nice.
What the hell? Are you doing magic?
Yeah, you want to see some?
Oh my god, I want to see it.
Okay, perfect. So I got a deck of cards.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
I'm
riffle
also
through the cards and
Yeah.
just tell me when to stop and remember one card, okay?
Okay,
Okay, so I'll look away that side.
stop.
Okay, remember?
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now, oh shit, there's a little sign that I need to sign in that popped up on the screen.
Oh, that always
What?
happens.
Yeah. So I got a red deck, and in this red deck, I've made a prediction. I've
Okay.
put one card upside down. Okay?
Okay.
So let me show you what my prediction was. One card, as you can see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now for the first time, please tell me which card you saw.
The Ace of Clubs. He was right. Well done.
Thank you, thank you. You want to see a coin trick?
Sure.
Okay, what? Let me make sure it's in focus. Okay? So you can
Yeah.
see the coin, right? Now I'll make it invisible. One more time. One more time, okay?
I saw it for a sec. I think it's behind your finger.
It's gone.
Yes, yeah. That's
And
very...
it's back. I can
Well
also completely make it disappear. Like this.
Oh my god.
And now when I do this, my hand goes through my other hand.
Wow. You are an amazing musician.
Thank you. Thank you.